For decades, a rocket launching into the sky meant something bigger than science for India. It was a symbol of a young nation proving that technological capacity was not the monopoly of the rich countries. But today, the space sector faces a different question. Can India turn its space achievement into a competitive industry? And that requires looking behind the glamour of rockets and moon missions. India's space program began when the country was still struggling with poverty and limited industrial capacity. Yet, India invested in rockets, satellites, and atomic energy. In that era, a successful launch itself was a statement of a nation capacity. But space technology has changed. Satellites now quietly support navigation, telecommunication, banking, weather forecasting, disaster management, and national security. So, space is no longer just about prestige, it is becoming a part of the economic infrastructure of a modern economy. And here is the challenge. According to the analysis cited in the source, launching a kilogram of payload into the low Earth orbit from India in 2025 was significantly more expensive than from several competing countries. One major reason is launch frequency. India reportedly conducted only 5 launches in 2025, far behind the projected number. Fewer launches means fewer opportunities to improve operational efficiency, build reliability, and reduce costs. And customers ultimately care about one thing: can I put my satellite into orbit reliably, regularly, and competitively? For example, some Indian satellites and startups have used foreign launch providers when Indian rockets could not afford the required capacity or schedule. This connects directly to several UPSC concepts: space economy, indigenization, public private partnership, strategic autonomy, ease of doing business, and the transition from a government led model to a competitive commercial ecosystem. India has already opened greater space sector participation to private companies. The next challenge is converting that opportunity into scale investment, skilled employment, and global market share. So, India's space story may be entering a new phase. The moon mission inspires us, but reliable, frequent, and affordable launches will build the industry. Because in the new space economy, the real escape velocity is not just reaching the orbit, it is reaching the scale. This is UPSC lens where current affair meets the concept behind them.